Do you want to create a unique photo effect? In this video, I'll show you how to combine and blend two images together in Canva to make them look seamless. Let's start by opening Canva and adding the two photos you want to work with. Place each one on a separate page so we can prepare them individually. Now, open the Elements section and search for Gradient. Choose a white gradient and position it along the side of your first photo, either left or right. Once placed, duplicate the gradient 2 or 3 times until the transition looks smooth. Select all those gradient layers, group them together, and then duplicate the group. Next, move over to your second photo. Apply the gradient group to this one as well, but in the opposite direction. So if you use the right side on your first photo, place the gradient on the left side of the second photo. Once both photos have gradients applied, download them separately to your computer. Save the first photo, then save the second. Now re-upload both edited photos into Canva and place them together on a single page. You can delete the extra page since we don't need it anymore. Position the first photo, then place the second one on top so they overlap. Use the transparency slider at the top and set it to about 50%. This way, the two images blend together smoothly. You can also resize or adjust their position until the composition feels right. When you're happy with the result, download this combined version and upload it back into Canva again. Replace the old layers with this new single image. As a final step, open Edit Photo, Adjust. Lower the brightness just a little, push the contrast all the way up to 100%, and slightly increase the saturation. These tweaks will make the blend look sharper and more natural. Once done, download your final image, and it's ready to use. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more Canva tricks, and let me know in the comments what type of design effects you'd like me to cover next.